This is a quick look at some of our top weather concerns around the country, and we begin with some of our current tropical activity, and that is, first of all, Rosa, and that is making its way toward the Baja of California and then eventually toward the continental 48. Although it'll be losing its hurricane status before making landfall, it's likely it'll still be bringing an abundance of tropical moisture to not only portions of northwest Mexico, but also the southwest United States and into the desert southwest. And it's in these areas that are shaded in green that we already have some flash flood watches that'll be going into effect early next week, Monday and into Tuesday, where we have the possibility of rainfall rates between 1 to 2 inches per hour. So that is, of course, going to add up. And so the potential for some flash flooding exists in these areas with this wet weather on the way for parts of the southwest. And eventually that system will continue to track northward from there. So we'll continue to watch for that in the coming days. Elsewhere across the continental 48, we have some cold weather that's been invading the north. It was an extremely cold start to the day across the upper Midwest, some of the coldest weather that we've had so far this season, which led to some frost and freezing concerns as we began the day to the north. Now we continue to have that cool Canadian air impact portions of Montana, and that's leading to some precipitation coming in the form of snow in the upper elevations of the Rockies across Montana. And so we do have some winter weather advisories in effect for these purple shaded areas, around 4 to 7 inches of snow possible between now and the middle of the day tomorrow for those areas. In terms of severe storms, that is not too much of a concern today. Just a few areas where we could see the potential for some general thunderstorm activity, but stronger storms not anticipated today. A bit of wet weather, though, will be impacting portions of the southeast and into the Midwest. Check back here for more updates.